वैज्ञानिक, परहित में जो काम करे। धन्य है वो वैज्ञानिक, परहित में जो काम करे। मानव को दे सुख साधन, ओ मानव को दे सुख साधन, दुनिया में रोशन नाम करे। धन्य है वो वैज्ञानिक, परहित में जो काम करे। धन्य है वो वैज्ञानिक, परहित में जो काम करे।
Blow the bubble. How can you control it?
He has lighted the candle. I have lighted and given the candle, and now it is fixed in the plate. He is pouring the water in the plate. He has poured water in the plate, and now he is going to cover the burning candle with the glass. You can see the water is pulled inside the glass. As the oxygen level goes on becoming less, the water level also goes down. Yes, Sujay, what is the experiment?
How to float rock in the water.
Put more oil in that. With this experiment, I can just only say one thing, that the stones are heavier, so they sink, whereas the oil, it is lighter. And so it floats. If you add more salt to it, like lemons, it may float, but you need to have more salt for that. Okay. Viraj, what is your experiment?
My experiment is how to change the color.
Okay, change the color of the water. Empty glass. He is going to put the turmeric powder.
I have to pour water.
Okay. He is pouring the water in the glass, empty glass, plain water. Plain clear water you can see. Now he is going to add the turmeric powder to it, and you can see the plain water has started changing it into yellow color. Okay, the water has changed to yellow color. Washing powder, detergent powder is going to add in the turmeric powder, and you can see it has changed the color. It has turned into yellow color. That is the acidic change. Yes, Sarthak, what is the experiment? He's pouring the water in the glass. And now nail polish you have brought. Okay, he is going to add the nail polish. Get little upper side. I should light the matchstick and hold it here on the nail polish.
Yeah.
Oh, why? Why it happens?
Nail polish is acid as well.
Yes, it has got some chemicals with it which can catch fire. It has got the wax also. Yes, very good. So one end he has inserted into the glass. Okay, he has stuck the thread to the glass with the sellotape. You can see he has inserted the thread from the outer side inside the glass, and now other end of the thread he is going to insert in the other glass. So this is Ivan. What is your experiment?
We have to turn the yellow water into the red.
Okay. So that is acidic reaction you are going to show. In empty glass he is pouring the water. Now to this water, plain water, he is going to add turmeric powder. Okay. Now after he adds the detergent powder, due to the acidic reaction, the yellow color turns into the water is turning into red color. Yes, Ridan, what is the experiment? He has taken 2 glasses. He is pouring the water in the 2 glasses now. This is the plain water. So you can see the lemon is sinking down. It has gone down at the bottom. It's sinking in this plain water. Whereas now he has added salt to this water and this water has become salty. And now he is stirring it with a spoon. And now he dropped another lemon in this water, and you can see the lemon, instead of sinking down, it has come up on the surface. So the salty water is heavy than this lemon, and so the lemon is lighter and so it's floating, whereas this lemon is heavier than the clay. Yes, Prajot has taken water in this jar and now he is putting the turmeric powder into the turmeric powder, and now he is going to add the detergent powder in this, and you will find the color changes, yellow color changes to red. This is not something jadoo, it's a science. It's science. Pink, yellow, red, blue, all different colors. And now he is proving that the water is colorless. Water, he is going to pour it into the plate now, and let us see what is the effect of that. You can see the gems. You can see the color coming out from each gem. Their colors, the colorful gems, and you can see the colorful rays coming out from each gem, and it is so beautiful to watch. So this experiment proves that water is colorless, and water takes the color of any color which we mix in it. So the pink gem is letting out the pink color, blue color, red color, yellow gem, yellow in color, and you can see the colorful gems. Now you can't eat these gems now, no? But the experiment looks so beautiful.
This thing like a colorful
rainbow. He is performing an experiment. Here you can see the candle is lighted, and now he has fixed the candle in the plate, and now he is pouring the water in the plate. He has poured the water in the plate, you can see, and now he is going to cover the burning candle with the glass. Now he has covered, and you can see here the water is getting, you can see the water is pulled inside the glass, and the burning candle stops burning. Okay, you can see in both the glasses same amount of water he has poured. Now he is dropping the lemons. You can see the lemon is sinking down. Same way the lemon in this glass, this lemon also is sinking down. Both the glasses plain water is there, the lemon has sank down. Okay, because the water is lighter and the lemons are heavier. But now as he is adding salt to this water, you can see the lemon has popped up. He is performing an experiment here. You can see in an empty glass he is pouring the water. You drop the lemon. You can see the lemon when he has dropped into the water. Now you can see the lemons have sank down. They are sinking down at the bottom. because the lemons are heavy in weight than this plain water. Plain water is lighter. Now in one of the glasses he is going to add the salt. As he is adding the salt, you can see the water has become salty and it has also become very heavy, and so the lemon. Okay, Sarvang is filling the flat balloon with the Eno powder, and now he's covering the bottle's mouth with the balloon mouth, you can see, and he has dropped the Eno powder has dropped inside the water, and you can see the gas, the air which is formed
Like carbon
with the
dioxide.
yes, carbon dioxide which is formed over here, that is blowing up the balloon, and which is the balloon, you can see it has blown into a bigger size. Darshika, yes, remove the mask. Just two papers or one small piece is enough. Keep that side on the dry place. Yes, now she is rubbing the plastic foam on her head, and that is creating the friction. With this friction the negative energy is created, and as you can see the energy is charged and the papers are sticking to the comb. Yes, and she is adding the detergent powder in the bowl, and now he is adding the water, mixed water in that. Now the mixture is ready, and now with the help of the straw he is going to create the bubbles. Yes, these are the bubbles, air bubbles. Create the soap bubbles. Okay, now she is
Shampoo.
one shampoo packet. Now she is going to put in the glass. Okay. Now she is going to add the water in that. Okay, now she is going to stir the solution. She has mixed the solution. Now she is going to make the bubbles. Yes, dear. What, Mitisha? What is the experiment?
Making the slime.
Slime you are going to prepare. Okay, jelly. Yes, in one plate, Mitisha has poured the shampoo packet. She has poured. Now she is adding, what is that, dear? Corn flour. She is adding a spoon of corn flour to the shampoo, liquid shampoo. Okay, and now she is mixing it. You can see she is mixing it nicely with her hands. Add a slime through the mixture of shampoo and pieces of papers, and he is having the scale in his hand. 2 scales he has brought. Okay, he's rubbing the plastic scale on his head. You can see the paper has stuck to that. Yes, Samriddhi, what is the experiment? The balloon and the straw. Let us see what she is going to do with the balloon and the straw. She has inserted the straw in the balloon. Now she is blowing the air. Yes, Riddhi, what is the experiment?
Lemon experiment.
Lemon and?
Lemon water.
Okay, lemon water experiment. She is going to prove something with the water and lemon. She has dropped one lemon in each glass. Now she is pouring the water in the glass. Now here it's a plain water she has added. She has poured in the glass, and there also she is pouring the water.
That the lemon in the salty water is floating because the salt has higher density, as the lemon contains the lesser density than the density of the salt. And here the lemon is sinking because the lemon has higher density than the density of the water.
Rishika, she is pouring the water in the mug. Now she is adding the oil. And so you can see here, she tried to stir it, but the oil is not getting mixed with the water. Okay, that shows that what oil is lighter than water, and so it's floating on the water. You can see the layer has formed, the oil layer has formed in the water. Yes. Yes, Shreyansh is going to present an experiment now here. Here you can see he has lighted the incense stick and he is inserting that incense stick, lighted incense stick in the empty bottle, empty plastic bottle he has inserted, and he is closed the mouth of the bottle with his finger, and you can see inside the incense stick it is burning and the smoke is created inside that bottle. You can see the bottle has become foggy, and see how the... Yes, Tanishka, what is your experiment?
I poured the water in.
Acha, what are... Acha, okay, let us see. Okay, you perform the experiment, we'll see what is the result of this experiment. You can see she has taken one jar and in that she is pouring the water. Okay, the jar you can see. Now she is inserting a picture of a small girl. You can see the picture is drawn on the paper and the paper is covered with the plastic. Okay, and you can see the picture looks larger than its size. Yes or no? Yes, the picture is larger. Pull it out. Yes, you can see the actual picture is this size, and when she is inserting the picture in the water, it is quite larger. Ananya is going to present an experiment where she is pouring the shampoo in the glass. And now she is going to stir it with the spoon, nicely mix the solution. Now with the straw she is going to create the bubbles in them. Yes, you can see the bubbles. Air bubbles are formed. Swara Shere, she is going to present an experiment. What is the name of your experiment, Swara?
Water versus candle.
Water versus candle. So you can see we have fixed the lighted candle in the plastic glass. Now let us see what she is going to do. Now she is pouring the water in the glass. And she has half filled the glass with water. Now she is putting the ENO, that is the soda. And you can see the bubbles are rising up. The air bubbles are rising up. Yes, Mugdha is going to present an experiment. You are going to see the acidic experiment now here. Here in the bowl there is turmeric powder and she is adding water in that. She has added water in that. Now she is stirring it. Okay. Now she is going to add the detergent powder in that. And when she is adding detergent powder, you can see the color is changing to red. The yellow color of turmeric powder has changed to reddish color and it has become so dark. Now she will squeeze the lemon in the solution. The color has changed back to yellow. So this is the acidic effect. Heavier than this water, and so it has sinked down. Okay, but here you can see the salty water has become more heavier. Here the water is lighter in the plain glass. Plain water is lighter, whereas the salty water is heavier. It is heavy than the lemon, and the lemon has become lighter now, and it is floating in the water. Arushi is going to present a She is going to present an experiment over here which tells us that both the glasses. Now here you can see she has poured water in this glass and the lemon she has put in that, and you can see the lemon, it is sinking salt in that water. She will be adding the salt in that water. Now she has mixed that water with the salt, so it has become a salty water now. It has become salty water, isn't it? Yes. Okay, this is plain water. In this first glass it was the plain water. In this it is salty water now. She has stirred it nicely and now she is dipping the lemon in that. And you can see the lemon is not sinking. It's floating up on the surface of this salty water. Yes, we Then haldi powder is there, turmeric powder and detergent powder, right? And water. Okay, let us see what is the experiment. She is pouring the water in the bowl. Now she is adding a spoon of turmeric powder. Now she is stirring it. Okay, you can see she had after adding the turmeric powder, she added the detergent powder and the color changed from yellow to red. Vivek also is going to present an experiment where he is going to show us how the bubbles, air bubbles are formed. So he has poured water in the glass. You can see he is pouring the water in the glass. He is adding the shampoo to the water. So you can see the color, black color shampoo he has added, and with the paper straw, and now nicely he has mixed the solution. Now let us see whether the bubbles are formed. Lakshmi is going to present an experiment where she is going to show us how the bubbles are formed, how the air bubbles are formed. So in a glass, she is squeezing the sachet of a shampoo packet. Now with this straw, she is going to stir it and nicely mix the solution. And now she is going to make the bubbles. Let us see whether the bubbles are forming. You can see the air bubbles. So Anvi is going to present she is going to present an experiment where she is going to show us that how the gas is produced. So what are you pouring in this? So you have put the food color in the water. Okay, so to bring the effect of the experiment, she has added food color in the water. Now she has poured the water in the glass. Now she is going to squeeze the lemon in the water. Now she is squeezing the lemon. You can see the water, colored water. Now she is adding the edible soda in that, and you can see the spoon. Give me the spoon. You can see how the gas is produced in the form of bubbles in this. Okay, so the lemon water, it creates these bubbles. This is presenting the experiment of sinking and floating the things. He has poured water in the glass. Okay, you all can see the transparent glass. Now we will put one by one things. They float at the surface. When they are on the surface, they are called the things which float. Okay, so the pencil is floating on the surface of the water. The keys have gone down at the bottom, so they are sank in the bottom, so it is sinking. Same way the plastic toy he has put, that also is floating, so that means the plastic is lighter than water and so it floats. Then he has put one steel, he is putting one steel coin. The coin is of metal, metals are heavy and so it sinks down. The leaves you can see they are lighter in weight and so they are floating on the surface of the
My
water.
experiment how to mix water, and there is biscuit in plain floats on water and effectively of water. Biscuit stick on the water. Let's start the experiment. First glass of water. This is biscuit. Water, floats on water.
धन्य है वो वैज्ञानिक, पर हित में जो